How to solve x power 41 is equal to 41. Now I describe what is the value of x. First of all, x power 41 is equal to 41. Now we multiply by power of 41 in both sides. 41, 41. Here we can apply this exponential rules that a power m bracket n same as a power n bracket m. So we can write here x to the power 41 bracket x to the power 41 is equal to 41 to the power 41. Let x to the power 41 is substituted by y according to this rules that a power a is equal to n power n. A is equal to n. So n is greater than or equal to 1. So we can write here y to the power y is equal to 41 to the power 41. Y is equal to 41. X to the power 41 is equal to y. So we can say that y is equal to x to the power 41. X to the power 41 is equal to 41. Now we need the value of x. So we multiply by power of 1 by 41 in both sides. 1 by 41. 41 will be cancelled. So we find the value of x is equal to 41th root of 41. This is the value of x. How to simplify 8 power 19 plus 8 power 19 is equal to what? At first, we take common 8 power 19. First bracket start 8 power 19 divided by 8 power 19. That means 1 plus and same as 8 power 19 divided by 8 power 19. That means 1. So 8 power 19 is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket 19 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Here we can apply this exponential rules that a power m bracket n is equal to a power mn. So we can write here 2 to the power 3 times 19, that means 57 times 2, that 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. According to this rules that a power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So we can write here 2 common but different power. So we can write here 2 to the power 57 plus 1. So we can write here 2 to the power 58. This is the final answer.